Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to mine ore nuggets early in Gothic 1 Remake. Mining ore nuggets is a great alternative to questing since ore nuggets are the main currency in Gothic 1. First things first, you need to reach the free mine, as you can see here on the map. We have a video on the channel showing how to reach the free mine if you don't have a map yet, as well as a video on how to get a map, so make sure to check them out. Once you arrive, look around and you'll notice a bunch of purple ore veins scattered throughout the free mine. Walk up to one of these ore veins and you can mine it using a pickaxe. Each swing gives you 3 ore nuggets at first. After the 3rd or 4th swing, each hit will only give you 1 ore nugget. So make use of this whenever you need some extra ore to buy items from different merchants. And that's how to mine ore nuggets early in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.